What if you can build a fully functional website in less than 2 minutes using AI? Well, that's exactly what 10Web AI Builder promises. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how 10Web AI Builder works, how good their AI really is, pricing, pros and cons, and whether you should be using it for building your next website. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or someone who just tried to dabble with AI, this video is for you. So 10Web is a AI powered WordPress based website builder. It is different from other AI website builders because first it uses WordPress as its backend, and as you know, most of the website on web starts as a WordPress site, and it's very easy and scale up a WordPress website. Second, it provides AI generated themes and layouts. It also includes hosting, speed optimization, and security. And it also has a UI based builder which you can use to edit your website. So basically, you get a flexibility of AI and power of WordPress, which is an amazing combination. Make sure you bookmark this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can come back and refer it again. If you don't know me, I'm Avdesh Saxena. I have 20 plus years of experience building large applications for Fortune companies, and for past few years I have been researching on AI and sharing my knowledge on this channel. So now let's get into it. So this is 10Web AI website builder. You can go through their website. It has multiple options available. So we will go here and start creating our website. First thing which you need to provide is to provide a prompt. So I've already created a prompt for you, but basically what we are doing is we are creating a website for a vacation rental platform, and it's called Retreat Rover. And primary purpose is that people can come look at the properties and book them. Now let's hit generate. I have already signed up with 10Web, and you can also do same. You just have to use your Google ID. That's pretty much it. So 10Web is not free, so I have taken this 7-day free trial. You'll have to add your payment details, but you can cancel it anytime if you don't like it. So our website is built, and let's check it out. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks pretty neat actually. The look and feel, the fonts, and the graphics, everything is looking great. Yeah, to be honest, I may use this website also. Great, cool. So this is looking great. Now, what if we want to edit our website? Okay, so when we clicked edit, it opened this Elementor page. And for those who don't know, Elementor is a kind of plugin available with WordPress, which you can use to create web pages, edit them. So here you are, you can make changes in content, or if you want to change this image, or if you want to add say some HTML code, you can go here, insert section, and it is done. So it is pretty intuitive and easy to use. We can also ask AI to make modification. Here we'll say change, explore to start. Okay, so here it has made change. It has changed the explore to start. So good. The same way you can make other changes. They also provide you option to add free custom domain. So you can go look for domains. It provides some free options also, and then you can buy it, and then it will get attached to your website. Great. So now let's close this thing. Now it also provides you an option to access WordPress dashboard. Let's click and go to our dashboard. Okay, wow. So this is if you have ever built a website on WordPress, this is the dashboard. uh, it has different options. You can, add a new post here, you can add a new page here, and so on and so forth. Already it has created multiple pages for us. And then you have option to add more plugins. So if you want to create, say, contact us form or use any plugin, you can search and add here. Appearances, you can go there and select a theme. uh, but currently 10web has already done the work for us and selected a theme for us, so leave it, we'll use their theme. Great. Now 10web, it also shows you usage summary. It has knowledge base. Now another good thing with 10web is that it also helps you in optimizing your website. So it helps in creating a website which loads really fast. And if you do it somewhere else on a different platform, then it may be sharing hosting with other platforms and websites, and the website may not be as fast. So 10web, it provides you this kind of a booster which help in loading your website fast. It has Cloudflare and other things built into it. And you know that, like, loading site fast is important if you want to rank up in SEO. Now, other than loading fast, it also provides a lot of security features, and it also has a white label reseller dashboard. So if you want to, sell websites to your customer, and you can create a plan, and your customers can sign in and, like, pay for it automatically. Okay, it provides a lot of different AI tools also. So logo maker, name generators, and so on and so forth. But you can do a lot of these things in ChatGPT also. But if you are using 10web, then you may leverage their functionality. Great. It also has e-commerce AI builder option. So if you are having an e-commerce website, then you can use this option. Now let's look at the pricing. So if you look, like, starter plan starts from around $13 per month annual, and if you're going on a monthly basis, it's like $25 per month. And then there's a premium plan and all ultimate. So it has some amount of recurring cost involved, and it will add up to hundreds of dollars per annum. And if you are having this website for years, then maybe thousands of dollars. So if you are already a business, or somebody who needs a website without paying a lot of money to agency, then this may be a good option for you. But if you're someone who's just, like, trying to explore things, then the cost may be high. And in that case, I will suggest that you can maybe directly build a website on WordPress, which is a free platform. And I provided a link below for our earlier video, which shows you how exactly you can build a website on WordPress for free, and how you can use AI to do it without using any AI builder. So do check out that. So I hope you like this video. If there's anything else you want us to discuss, then let us know. So thanks for staying all the way to the end. So some of the free resources which you can use, and I have dropped a link below. First is a complete course on AI agents, which will help you in learning AI agents and how you can automate most of your tasks. And another resource is, like, major tips and tricks related to ChatGPT. It'll help you in using ChatGPT and other LLMs to fullest. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episode. And you can also check out our previous videos to learn about some of the AI coding and AI agent tools.